Make an investment using mobile browser and Coinbase Wallet. Make sure you have a Coinbase Wallet installed on your smartphone before you log in to make an investment using the mobile browser on your smartphone. An additional item, please go to Settings page in your Coinbase Wallet installed on your mobile phone and select Polygon as your default network. Acamona platform supports Ethereum mainnet as well as Polygon. The initial offerings on the Acamona platform will be on the Polygon network, which is a sidechain of Ethereum. Press Continue with Mobile Web button on the home page to use the mobile browser. Log into your Acamona account with your user ID and password and press the button to connect your Coinbase wallet. This action will open another instance of the browser inside the Coinbase wallet, and for the security of your account, you'll need to log in again. After logging in, press the Coinbase again, and you'll be connected to the Coinbase wallet. If your wallet address is not already registered with Coinbase, you'll need to respond yes to add the wallet to your Acamona account. Thanks for watching.